our own national chairman, Mr. Omar Damagum, our own national secretary, Senator Samuel Anyanwu, who are supposed to defend the interests of the PDP, who are supposed to defend the interests of the party, in a case that the court has stopped the Pro-Wike sacked lawmakers from removing a PDP governor illegally, from destabilizing a PDP-controlled government, national secretary and national chairman of that political party goes to court with the same Pro-Wike sacked APC lawmaker, insisting that an appeal to vacate that order and give legitimacy to these sacked lawmakers so that they can make a futile attempt again to impeach a PDP governor. I don't know whether Nigerians understand what I'm talking about. That a national chairman of a political party and a national secretary of a political party, in a case that the court has protected the interests of their party-controlled government and said those sacked lawmakers who left their party and have lost their seat cannot make any attempt to impeach the governor or serve any impeachment notice on the chief judge of Rivers State, the political party led by Damagum and Samuel Anyanwu goes to court and joins in filing and supporting an appeal so that that order can be removed, so that their PDP governor can be removed. That is abomination of the highest order. I didn't know I was going to come back to these issues. I thought that sanity has returned to that secretariat. I thought that order has returned to that place. But look at, because of what? In return for what? What kind of porridge? What is it? And that's what we've been calling people, governors, everybody. We left these guys at the headquarters. And they are busy burying this political party. Look at this madness. Look at this madness from a political party against its own governor. Because of what? Now, I will draw your attention to page 81, page 80 of the PDP Constitution, and in particular, Article 42.1. There shall be a national legal advisor of the party who shall be a lawyer of no less than 10 years post-score and whose functions shall be 1. Advise the party on all legal matters. 2. Conduct all litigations and prosecute and defend actions on behalf of the party, including its organs and officials, insofar as the subject matter of the litigation affects the interests of the party. 3. Interpret the laws, regulations, and constitution of the party in the event of any ambiguity. So you can see the constitutional powers of the legal advice under our party constitution. It is in exercise of that power that he filed a notice of discontinuance against a political process that was detrimental to the interests of the party, against a process that is trying to bring through the back door those sacked lawmakers so that they can impeach a PDP governor. So in exercise of his powers under Article 42, he initiates the discontinuance of the case that was illegally filed by these people. And then the national chairman of that party, Senator Omar Damagum, and the national secretary, Senator Samuel Anyanwu, now secretly rise to the court and say, please, we don't want to discontinue that case. Let's continue that case that will help to remove the PDP governor of Bala from office. And it is hurting me that these people, none of them laid the foundation for our great party. If Ekweme, Solomon La, Abubakar Rimi them, Kwande them, Solomon La, all these other people, Ekweme are alive, and seeing this joke, and seeing this stupidity, and seeing this betrayal going on, they weep and say, is this the People's Democratic Party that was once the biggest political hope in Africa? That these people have reduced to a market transaction against your own party because you want to please the interest of the Pro-Wike group? You sacrifice, you sell out your own party. You are willing to bury it like what Alimo the Sheriff they used to do with ANPP and APP in those days. Is that our PDP will now be reduced to a level where because somebody is sitting illegal, because we have said this thing before, what is Damagum doing at Wadata House? Look at how he's debasing the party in every state. Look at the kangaroo state congresses, no congresses, names are being written, members of APC. When he continues to do this, I'm asking governors of PDP, when you people allow him to finish this madness he's doing everywhere, in 2027, you have a political party that 36 states of your chapters will declare for another political party because ab initio, they are not your members. And I said, throw him out of that place from day one. He threw him out of that place. But you people are leaving it. The time I agreed for the appointment of a non-central person, has it not elapsed? Now, they went to court again against themselves and sued that they cannot leave office. Imagine. And then nobody is appealing it. They just brought a process, hid it somewhere. Is that they have the order, the court order in their pocket, left, right, and center, that they should remain in office. Or because they are working for the interest of the Pro-Wike APC group. A national chairman of a political party, a national leadership of a political party, rotten to the basic. National. So what is the future for the party? What we see, is it a political party? And they will do it in broad daylight. No shame, no shame. And they will write to deputy chief registrar of the Court of Appeal that a case that have protected your party, that have restrained anybody, those group of imposters that have been sacked from serving any impeachment notice to the chief judge. Our own political party appeals and say they want to vacate it so that the Pro-Wike group can serve an impeachment notice against the PDP government. And people are keeping quiet and allowing them to be there. An enemy right in your house, parading as your officer. And then they are coming to court on Monday to come and advocate for this nonsense. And the governors of PDP, I ask them, what kind of governors are you people? Is this how Ekweme will be doing if this is happening? Is this how Solomon Lau will do it? Is this how Kwande, is it how Damuchiroma will do it? By now, what are we supposed to be discussing? Is it not how to rebuild the party, rebrand the party, seek an alliance, and form an alliance to be able to give hope to our people? But we are here talking about some jokers who are running around the political kitchen, permutating to sing their own political party and conducting congresses and filling APC members in your own party. Are you people that? Are you cowards? And I'm asking the governors, are you cowards? Can't you take back this party? Can't you show leadership and stop this whole nonsense? The damage is already done, oh. The damage is already done. And redo everything that has been done for the interest of the party. Stop them from parading as officers of the party. How can somebody who said you are a servant of God and you take God, you go to war with God? You are not a servant of God. You'll be a servant of the devil. So if you say you're a national chairman of a political party and you are busy giving room and opportunity for those in APC to impeach your governor, and you write it, to the court registrar and say, please, the decision of my legal advisor, who under Article 42 is empowered to handle all legal matters. Legal advisor tells you a case to allow the sacked Pro-Wike lawmakers get a legitimacy to impeach a PDP governor is wrong. He discontinues it. A heroic effort by Ajibode. I used to doubt his commitment. I didn't even know that he's such a committed and strong-willed man. Now, he makes that heroic effort. The political party now counters him in another letter. The secretary and chairman, that they want the Pro-Wike people to get a lifeline for them to remove the PDP from office. This is hurtful, this is painful, and should not be allowed in any decent democratic setting. This whole thing in Rivers, things are being done the wrong way. The other day, the national chairman of APP party, Ugochinyere, nearly got killed at their party headquarters in Rivers when it was bombed. Why are you people bombing a political party office? That is not how opposition behave. That is not how people behave. That if you destroy your own political party, you break it into multiple factions because you are serving the interest of somebody in APC. And then people there say they don't have faith. Maybe they want to go to APP to run their local government election. So be it, if that's what you want. What you should do is to put your house in order so that they don't go there. But what they will be doing is to go and be bombing the place. What kind of nonsense is that? The other day, another one wanted to throw a bomb near presidential. The bomb cut off his 2 hands. I'm still waiting for National Security Advisor, the Inspector General of Police, the DSS, to parade that young man and get out and announce to Nigerians the financiers, the person who funded him. Nothing has come out of that particular one. So, in conclusion, the plot to undermine the PDP from within is a serious threat, but it is one that we can and will overcome by taking decisive action, reaffirming our commitment to democratic principles and standing united as a party. We will not only protect the PDP, but also strengthen it for the challenges ahead. By now, the PDP would have been reaching out to political parties of like minds to form a mega coalition to provide constructive criticism and support to our party in this time of economic crisis. But our own political party, instead of rebuilding, instead of reforming, is discussing how they can help a court order to be given to those who are in APC to impeach a PDP governor.